for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Are you having a good day? Should we draw something fun today? Yay!
Hello, little artists!
Let's draw a bubble tea.
Wow.
Do you like bubble tea?
Yeah. Wow.
Me too. It's yummy.
I see the light. It's coming in sharper. It's time to use more colored markers.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
Yeah.
Oh boy, you're excited today, Artie. Should we get going? Come on, let's start. Let's start with a line at the bottom that goes up at an angle towards the left side of the paper. Perfect. And now let's do the same on the right side, but going to the right side of the paper. Very good. Join the two lines together at the bottom with a smiley face arc-shaped line. Now we'll do the bottom half of an oval along the top. This is the top opening of the cup. Join them together. Perfect. Do another line the same shape, but just below. Copy that top shape just above. That's the rim of the cup. Now let's do the plastic dome that goes on the top, the lid of the cup. Be sure to leave a little gap for the straw. Now let's do the hole in the plastic dome. A little oval hole. You're doing great, Artie. Do a line at an angle. That's the straw. And then do a second line alongside it. That's the left side of the straw.
I think he's doing great.
Me too.
He is doing great, Betty and Mikey. Now let's do the back side of the rim of the cup. The top edge of the cup. Now it's time to add some bubbles. Artie's really concentrating. Let's add some vertical lines to the top of the cup, just along the top edge. This helps make the cup feel round, and it just adds a little bit of interest, makes the drawing look more fun. It's time for the eyes. The left eye, big circle. Perfect. And the pupil in the middle, fill it in black. And then the right eye. Try and get it the same size if you can. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit different. And then the pupil. Perfect, Artie. You're doing great, Artie, but you're working hard. Do you need a break? A dance break? Okay, it's time for a dance break. Judging dance competitions, I have never, really never seen anything quite that perfect.
Artie's got some moves.
He sure does, Betty. Okay, that was a great dance break. Are you ready to carry on? Let's finish your bubble tea drawing.
Okay. What?
I think he needs some eyebrows. Left and right. How about a mouth? Oh, that's a very happy bubble tea. You know, there's something really important missing so far, Artie. The bubbles.
Oh,
Let's draw lots of little bubble circles inside the cup. That looks great. Lots of bubbles. A nice base to the cup. This is looking like a masterpiece, Artie. How about a bubble for a nose? Finished? That's great. Should we colour it in? Finished! I love the way you coloured it in, Artie. And I love that you wrote yum.
Yay!
It sure does look like a delicious, yummy bubble tea. Yum.
Don't you think that looks fantastic, Mikey?
I think Mikey's lost for words. It's so good. Well, little artists, have an arty day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye-bye.
Have a great day, Artie!
See you soon.